Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Countertop Blender Pro 2000W, a high-performance blender designed for professionals and home cooks who want to create smoothies, crush ice, and prepare food with ease. This blender stands out from the competition with its powerful 2000W brushless motor, 25 speed settings, and large 68-ounce capacity, making it ideal for those who need a reliable and versatile blending solution. Let me break down the specs. The Countertop Blender Pro 2000W features a powerful 2000W brushless motor that operates at a speed of 25,000 revolutions per minute, with 25 variable speed settings ranging from 1,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute. The blender has a large 68 ounces BPA-free Tridan copolyester jar with a secure fitting lid and a tamper for scraping the sides. The motor is driven by a high-efficiency controller that provides consistent power and speed. The blender measures 17.5 inches tall, 9.5 inches wide, and 8.5 inches deep, and weighs 15.2 pounds. It has a heavy-duty design with a stainless steel base and a durable ABS plastic body. The blender also features a built-in cooling system to prevent overheating, and it is equipped with a thermal cutoff switch for added safety. The blender has a low noise level of 80 decibels, and it is designed for commercial-grade use with a 3-year warranty. The Countertop Blender Pro 2000W is a heavy-duty kitchen blender that is built to last, with a robust construction and a high-quality finish. In real-world use, the Countertop Blender Pro 2000W performs exceptionally well, handling tough blending tasks with ease. The 2000W motor provides more than enough power to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and puree hot soups. The 25-speed settings allow for precise control over the blending process, and the large 68-ounce jar is perfect for making large batches of smoothies or frozen drinks. The blender is also very easy to use, with a simple and intuitive control panel that makes it easy to select the right speed and setting for the job. The build quality is excellent, with a solid and sturdy construction that feels premium in the hand. The audio quality is also good, with a low noise level that makes it easy to converse while blending. Real-world reviews praise the Countertop Blender Pro 2000W for its exceptional performance, durable construction, and ease of use. Users love the blender's ability to handle tough blending tasks with ease, and they appreciate the large 68-ounce capacity and 25 speed settings. Users also praise the blender's heavy-duty design and construction, which makes it feel like a commercial-grade blender. However, some users report that the blender can be a bit loud when operating at high speeds, and a few users have noted that the blender's cooling system can be a bit slow to kick in.